They didn't have counter evidence.
Menka se trinkwa na za menka dey.
Oh, you know trinkwa. Because
we a lawyer ampa. Keso bisam se denti.
A domino die swabem. That is all democracy is about. They call it majority rule. And a domino need that so and the Baumia, and they expressed it convincingly. Sebi. Bonibia amem, oye nibia mem, ubi kan se ofo se MPP beshe, MPP anshe. I just say a very mature tradition.
I can patch me maybe some questions in the way lawyer will be some questions in tea. Whether not the fatcher make a book. Now only Kennedy or Japan, only Kennedy or Japan was someone now.
Debbie, in the Assembia. I dear Bakwa Boame. Ama me dame say. Ubi any one and Muguasi, a memisica. A principal, I'm the Ananti Ache. So Ubi any Viasia. The Nimuguasi, ebe improve my bank account. Eti, me ni Ubi or Yami soon enemy. I don't have one.
Assembia ni Montem.
Assembia ni ho.
But not critics be can say, we na walk Hassan and I so Cassan gear towards Kennedy or Japan. Sana Netiana.
Nantisa. I can't see a comparison. Nti obi kan so pe bunabunu obi so no so pe a friend say wherever nkwan. Nti ye be test it. So I was setting Kennedy Agyapong against Baumia. That's all I was doing. Me cast won't onye ni papa na so on the you but o compare wo me enu dia oba kukura leadership to me no say maako. It in your leadership to me pa mo fema no. That's what I was doing. And yet otenim na nukra me de many who and say oh na what comparative advantage na obi wo over another man. Say comparative advantage you know be what the other person mo fento na mo koto abanama no. If you say more than a kwa a bit me a yama ye nyina MPP.
Campaign time and what can be as na ya to baby victory aba ye be kasa MPP na edin kunim enye Dr. Elijah Mahmoud Bawumia what na sidin apo so bi say say we dey me hu yan kamanka na
bibie no amatwa san because enema me kan nyina no na me fapem no no korek ohene meka no kwa cho say me nye ni se begu obi ani mas na mani akogye akoda o ekokuna ni mas ye nyina ye busuafo ene yesi akan no de akan sie na yesi no na me so me ye emu amane me nye ni se me kan se bia na ohene eye keka kasa ya etra ya che ho ma nye sa ne ma bi ne mo me the facts not to ho opa ko tie ne me kan nyina me the facts no ko to I was speaking facts nti bisira ka se ya na santa no kure emu ya etise kumu a ode aidin agum enso echire hili nti befumobi a onfenche me ba na mmom boni ni echire kura se
ayi baby a what drew MPP mu and ya juma wo ye experience ba amamu mu wasum Ghana experience ba party mu a what the party echi ache na wo kasa wie na wo te se Kennedy camp for no kasa baka ya na neto so ye how
aha make back kura because na me so on this one yes is so because bibie no a on to me the facts counter me catch one sense bebre ho asia they are in the public space already, so you don't need even evidence to fight me. They didn't have counter evidence. Enti enwa say o make kanse mi ni ade aba me na me fanya dwuma na ade ba ko a eye me den say eventually no abusuafo ne kasa ma ba omia as if to vindicate me so I don't believe say so your comparative analysis na emra ye wo mu idie akonya ne fata ba omia
Madam so ye Christosumni okwasori pa na uji Nyankopon di pa say we kasa massacre free me bone ho ensem a me kan ye my actions and inactions how will be a one fan chemi mabe ya bode foforo a na nkenye ye
yes sir eno no enye emra dodo no a wo pe bibi no because obi ka free bibi okrama ho brase na o obepe to me it obepe to me to one pretend is afedie abufuo no kɔ e ho sa enema no bi sisi kra na emra sensem nyina ba fe na prove biem yeah prove biem me de obi kan se kunu dia bent me ka se na de me sia akwa musu ya ko nyane fu ba bu ha na enema bi ho no a ade na se aba biem na fe ese foforo aba biem e we say oh na ba me also onye obi a na ye fra no trophy o te kakra ho ti na bi no tete ne ma bi ansa nti I am unfortunate but me de me koswaka say a domino adwene on the tour
messaging from candidates are omo contest ye nyina no as an experienced party member senana ofanafa
well messaging nyina na ye kika ni nyina no ohini ni ebema a domino ho aton no ba mi aka anwa sempa ebi wo to be quite to be the two when him say constituency biano kwa no ye ba appointments on fe nipedu I free constituency because sometimes ya na appointment no kwa achi adodo as you say constituencies ni bin kan okasa e kire won okasa emwa ode be bo adom no afei ono nso e ka ne track record okura track record pa ono ekof adom ni nyina no okura track record pa wa mamu yo no awadi friend wadi akufu ado achi 16 years abedi a friend saying vice president ama enne na me catch nkofo na o man mu ayire pa o last election e ko na mu ayire na ye kon and some why case sia go be ka so obeso gu previous government and mas 7.3 edum pempen so be no o catch na MPP for bebere fele so opposition
apreso na party no power
party no power obi nya kukudo so and slot bi aba na e ko soja okoton slot no ama me bi akofa ne ntoma na wakoton na wakobo besi asoso na oni pa ko na all tons loss na age now the 7,000 asa na obekọ army enema bibire ko ya aban kra edum pepenso obi din sako kankrofo sika ye hunu nyina o ti ase ede be no wan ka galam se ye pegya ko wiem ebi kura ko cathedral wonu se Christopher ai amai ada na we onema bibire sisi ye nanso aye kon apani nya 41.7%. President Kufuor try first no onya 39%. And that is a value be war by omiemu a Ghana for hu. Ya to be anto antwere sawo 41%. And then me arguments and me the tour dance no be enya 41.1%. Ade ma President Kufuor ko biem. Ade ma ye ma nado o conference. Ade na enya ma papai. Na on fat 9% ninka 41.7%. Near cross 50 plus 1. And then I must say start 0. Na be na e beton edomo a nipa akai be keka ni nyina ba me feel say na etonkofo asum say e be ye ade foforo say ye den yes ya ko recycle papa no nti abusuafo me say he na fe ne hote be kanda say me de be ba policy me kaka no utra policy 16 years pa na ye fast kanda so awa ni ehwe uyi kakra. They should know that. And he has become the symbol of the unity of this party. I want to talk about that. Very, very important. What results? No.
What kind of symbol of unity? Emma MPP. How?
Why? Because a domino di nachi. Oh, and to say domino di nachi, it's easy to use the cloud and say a domurano. Actually, but
44% about percentage wise, as would you sign draw
sanity. It will be to be using the cloud and say, if you like, the majority on the side to draw the minority to join him. I feel very fala. Now I'm what I say, I dear Diantem and Yanko for no one lose no. I dear Diantem any the vision of giving NDC a one term. That's the vision. So on TSS or MP before pa.
No, Munya ready.
Oh, be a nene asenfufro.
Because then tell me cause Munya ready after elections. Let me say it will actually baby as a country. But George Oti Bonsu, some name the writer. When MPP nipa was started base. Bass be a near Brandy, Kennedy Agyapong, the pictures, Ebo pass no. A show unity.
Well, be a no entertainment kakra. If you said the future of even Ken cry in the political arena, no, MPP Mudia, is to team up with the flag bearer. To serve Ken's best interest to partner with Baumia.
As running mate.
Oh, not in terms of running mate, but for all the political clout Ken Wono. What I say? Or the Bata Baumia Dianoa. It will stand him good stead and it will look attractive. But me who ni obey be okay, se me nya dia and ya men teme ho. Your friend political suicide. Me move be dim, but I say, but I could be or 10 ho. Hey, why I know who cry and Kazero no crack with muko negative. Until at the end of politics, no. I know say more yeah in terms of the money investment and the rest of them, no. Now so empenindie nyankola agro empenindie say and asamo atome ba asamo na anime so if is ochina wanumunyam sen ene ochina no onyam nti se be ma NDC one term nti be de ma ho de be mba be ka Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia ho na yensaka one term because yensa aba back to power and then when the Ghana for ka and the MPP ka MPP I declare so onye a Christian party obi all ka MPP the votes of apani and they may sing and just say well or yes say about twama no go fata and ne yasia I catch the whole Ghana say yenya a can party o hwe ba bi o winni any ade nyina che say yenya a can party and the MPP to me, as president who through Dr. Bawumia said, we worship meritocracy. Say, to me, no ben will be a femano. And yet a tribal arrangement, and as and yet religious, a variable. And before say, as I'm not about MPP, no, a Nika Sempa, I'm a miss me want to me pass. Na say papa ya me fra konya idea. Say the word one ma NDC ammunition. Yeah.
And Dr. Agyapong Bawumia winia.
Na no makase ya kire mo minorities amudi MPP achi se kire mo say mo ye akan on ya can dominated party. Was ya to papa na twere. Akufo-Addo ebai o emane komiensa. Kufuor emane komio. Ada na we ya mara ko bi go frisirim. Me who propaganda anka ebe gina asin we. Because the facts seem to back it. It will you can never talk about MPP again. Say a can-dominated party. And now we are a Christian-driven party. We have religious sentiments rather than the rationality to pick somebody or your kunojin, no buo or kasapa. Economists and eniate. Me catch them call for Mufesti and Mameno a year do so. A whole nabe ampa. So be kura adie mu se or your president or the economy na se na enye economic management team na fene a world class economy to se papa e be hu nyina na be di abo Ghana.
Mausa man for started in komo do early days senke be ya one partner with Kennedy Agyapong one father said running mate. Oh do be ya do you side with them?
Me feel say yanto abo ase kakransa. Ebi ni ye ka say obi e de bass na mu yi. O ti ase nti moma ekuro no a eye mono no enye se ewu kakra. Na fi we fi pay mu akor rationality. And then go for bobo ho pa. Na me ka cho say e ka ebi no maso ano. O nyina mpo so a me ka say ebi no enye kaketwa. Nti ubo campo na wi ni abefa ne sa. Naboka Luzuai. They feel that time will heal wounds, and then the pain will go, And they will begin to now look at things critically. Ayeye humbobo. You bet me have 5 powerful think tanks in our bem. Who will best, help Bawumia as a vice to go? We know all these things. But the major assignment of today, I just say, started the unity moves, Now, starting to show, say, we are the alternative government. And they because what can be. So, let me believe we say, shows, we have a superior understanding when it comes to the economy. Our own roll out, near Kameye near Koko ya, and ne Obikaye, Edwa Shasi, Kamewa Kasena Mayeno. Because yet the Aebida, a Kufuado, our Massa and so what people see is, where the what to abandon Temu. Now, Flabera no LED, a kuno, a fake crowd, a year to your deuce. A dear Bakwamidi at Toa make us see a femumian to your deuce. Now, say MPP for you 4 million people. Now, say, okay, you'll be into your deuce, even 10 Ghana cities every month. By the time I ever corner, if you owe to your deuce, you know, just and then the commitment is being enhanced because deuce no cry soon say, and yes, I'm the man no cry, but the music DH. They will summon the grassroots with the dues paying in this and the money, and Sunday ever call him Kaka between their money. So we have a lot of time to do serious things. I believe when we do serious things, we give NDC, one term. Because the Akoye a Kaka na almost so back on Tokau, and you may see me make a microcosm of the bigger picture. Now.
We are in
Kituum. Afena over you Flabera. I Antono. We are no more being. Do Copejo be back. Then the mood do no Bawumia dear no dear. We'll give them one term.
Right. We see a trouble we a lawyer for no amu party the more coachia, Dr. Lajima Bawumia. Very dear and Baobetial na more of Argentina.
Oh, I say.
No, I'm busy.
Yeah.
And Timmy, I know when in Como. As of now, Kennedy Agyapong and Tessa were called Dr. Lajima Mudbomia or Dr. Bray Champon Coho. Should it be a concern?
Oh, me feel say, maybe they are planning something. And as I feel now, pipe down. Now, every crowd and cry, Yabeko. And cry and beko. Say, you could a 2 minutes. What I say, and now fade why a bad time. Now, money be said, no, besides, I want to say, now what to say on Toka. Send you according to no couldn't go out to sense, nothing, yes, yeah, pass your party up. But before say,
personally, a more quite a first conversation, Kennedy Agyapong. Minim, won't find me. Menim se bibi se ne na sia but ono aka se bibia ni mu obeso porto MPP on free MPP enkade na beka kire no
beka kire ne se yen accept statistics because statistics you to me or arithmetic you to me so we yet dear ba ku ne be winning short yes then don't be surprised. I can't see a ye nipa ba ko no ohene. It is not how emotional you are or your money bag. It is intended to say, "Couple no bede, a very a basa." Now, open future significance. You leave your pain, your head, your financial liability, and pitch camp with near where we know. If we say, "And munyamo a watchina a sing and neck," because I say no, you wouldn't know you obenya watchina. So do pay a ton chaya. A bit papa na go papa na show a lot of maturity. And then me see any want to go. Now me miss me first seka. I saw the bear moody. So
Thanksgiving, no.
That's a senka. O me weni. Na ko baby but want me my baby knew what had happened. But me that me say
but it can't be.
Oh, me feel say as if say they are still looking at issues. Me that's all that I would say. They are still looking at issues. But I mean, JD said, and my papa, no, about time there, about me, I refer Unianmo. Now,
and you wish, said Dr. Lajima Mudbomi and call Omonaso.
In good time. me recommend say in good time.
Why not?
107.3.
Oh, say what did you say? And you may be the CCO. And he answer a fena. You call Muslim for the year. We I call
Thanksgiving.
And a fair nebia. Oba be Thanksgiving. Thank you tour as they call it. And no nebia. Yami who your mobile near Gina we see we not brand near. We in China. You could stand a so your cost center where the Gina in China. Just go for that one boom from there and then actually because leadership is symbolism. So wage that way and China. Sana me call baby me here. Me ma MP phobia na ebia or your former any current one April. You know platform back so. We kasa no we kasa. A quickly papa.
So without Kennedy Agyapong Reveals, do you still see MPP say on me to marry in the 2028 general elections?
Well,
assuming so kase me home. But your own crophobia from on the phone kusi and kusi koda konongo kaya one won swa wo me obi nsua me home ba me ni akire me mfa ma ho den me mfa minyansa me nim de moa. So do you see MPP winning 2020 general elections?
Well, Manushe Sumram, Minya is on Bessa, but yes, Sampa, a big crown what you tie for me before what you. The whom at you tie for beer, 7777, at the end of the year on ya. If you don't cry MPs, some me personal bonding, I won't so Yalusu. Also, a cocodempa, a marcum precopa. Minimum MPs beyond cocodema pa, sitting MPs. And see. Oh, MPs for no kwako chiano. No wa shana tadi fita. What hobby? Na generals nibi.
Omo no koko
no koko no. Oh say okay, yakuko na wi.
Ya defeatie.
Ni kwako chia ni odi kunyomu na. Now say okay, odi on kwa. Ebedu ba bi kwa na generals nyina ba abandon because send your no. Say enye mia ense no MPP for ya won ni papa enti na menu apani ba ko wan kwanim no also do kwa do hote no ba MPP for ya no won ni se esuba no a sanya mia ye ntontwene no anya me de ayense hu enti me je say it is in their best interest to come close na fe on barrier on differences no ampa say ochrampo be de a ye beka ho abom na menye say on yes anu a sane okay numbers game be hi obia ahoden na aboa
but not negative numbers
cause ebu ho no say onyaaya nkankofu bi campaign ma ba omia de a oni future say epie say enne ba omia mpagya hawa also yemwa in future there because there be to me fema enye we na no say NDC ba ye peno they will use against you big time. In fact, anybody who doesn't want to promote the victory of MPP 2028 I call it self-sabotage. Because na abrona ye very pronounced. Asumasi akume kura no sanyame dia ene inko position. And go for so person won ban baby. So how can you glorify your own pain and make your personal cause greater than the common good? Don't follow you. That's how I say it.
Council, Brother, finally MPP 40 Ghana 40 years sorry.
And then nyame asese ye ho ate. Na nkoye nkontima any please for science. MPP money ebuo na Onyankopon na edam asese mode se anibue to pepepepepepe. Ya nti ba bia se ne de akoye te se o obi twitu no bi so fair jan ama please for no ye adwuma. IGP we so mebo na baso because security presence na hu me ko baby bebre the police for no. Na MPP for near me say ye reorganization kese pa obi anfa no nyimbi na ye nyina kan ya ho odi mbom as a unity of a force na ye fire ho odi ma Dr. Mahadu Bamia na me je di say na NDC afi na ombe kontoko emimina apeja a new flag bearer no ye de ya no ama bendi da wo Yakopo be hu yamabo na ama one term na fe economies na oti agro na asem aba beboa na obitu hia no na ho atoy enti yewo hope yewo ni da so much na obi ema enne ha no bebre ochena be yi asem be ka kire mabusuafo MPP for no
say prophet what is a prophet bi aka say questions we afa chebe candidate bin kana come to ne yam no there still who say we be lead MPP 2028 abra to abawie settle on one candidate eba sum no so a wo gisum ni dipa etos ebeto saying
ebo ha na on don akoma na kasa de nyame na kasa kire ko onyankopon oyusu Cyrus okwaza 45 onyankopon yusu obi a na wonye Israel ni ehye ni din monyam to onyankopon betime yusu ba omia ene enkofo ni bebere no so on ye na afi ye pie se emiso nyame nkasa agi se ye beto abape on wa be prophets to be on kasa asi so onu mochira on chen the next go fine e will not na emetu hia onyame a ono de loto na nanije ho se ye beto aba no nyame loto naba na on chere be bia ye next crude oil I bebro Saudi Arabia onyame mie se prophets ni bi ani na o me cafe ye ko hwe se se na ade ne kure munya ke mpie fiche bi se oil na tai chebi sei enti on ye alowa on office no akoye loto nkoa
so fofo no loto no mucha
nanya na o ka mmemu so se ne koye bi ade be na wo yo hu ane o project said that owo na ebe memu ade ebe na ebe memu ana nti ni esi ya no ebi mfanya adesua na emom kwa me believe say unum say osomasi na ebe ni na o mpe o personal popularity ya akoni fie ati say o kai friends near David ye Bashiba yi okun yuri na osofo panin Nathan ye bie so kire no so rese papa no ene obi yera ada no wase yaku papa na ka hono oti ase wa fa anko Joy FM na newo Israel no akra okohu no personally enti ya na won popularity contest ya onyai onyame a obeso use onyame din ne on digidin no he went to the man privately enti na ukọ a compare ko na aka chen say obe win privately anka ne wanya sem ha na betie
ono kra ntimi be ka
dabi enti ye hwe ni ye because choro no and support to popularity contest. There's nothing like that.
Madam,
send your men say reset agenda in the realm of criminal justice. No, a more realm na time. What you say? And penny enya buy.
But you were a lawyer for my mu. Yentimi tested ye mrano on this particular thing. Say under John Dramani Mahama and NDC. Ya chiobia yoku no detaining in panel 5 days 6 days. Ya ready say be try sir.
E be jan lawyer no so. Enye ade bi obi mpeso be try. Say ne wa violate o constitutional right. The 48-hour rule has been violated and therefore you should be compensated. These are a two abobasi agina toto. Na sebi so on so say hey go for they are alive to your responsibilities. And yes they are obi akọ them 8 days. What them 8 days so o say ka wan fa menhia ma and your money be o man nko want to me meet with terms and I'm saying say it is never the intent of the constitution say on law enforcement no on determine the freedom of the one they are investigating. Guess what, at the time on they are investigating him he's not a convict, so why should he suffer and do incarceration? That's why constitution in answer say and she will be more than 48 hours because the time out he's presumed innocent and to proven guilty. And as I say ya who didn't call pa and yes idea now as me lecturer friends Mr. Chachuchi Kata, we are enjoying constitutional lawlessness.
That means investigative bodies and agencies 88 a month for
baby ebi kura wo lawyer no kura no say onyame amoawa what you say it's a glorified imprisonment for you to go and sit in Yoko for 7 hours for what? As you say when bibi aye na obi mpese obefrɛ na washia why I'm detaining no ya ebisa no statements na wotra na oh as if we need not to give yenya kasa Ghanaians the shabby treatment because ade eye ma sefem kakran say onwo wani abere say amumu yodi nyina no what you say a few years ago they were in opposition. You see, I will say everything is temporal.
But council then a beba Yoko NIB Ombetiobi na yebe dodge nipa no abusuan hu baabi e de na call ne lawyer obetu charge no kra no hu baabi e de na call den na ye ba.
Yeah na ya mumu yo de. But that's how I see it. Any friends to me at time. Because I didn't know you're Ghana new. And I won't know what to now we say it can change. Like President Kufuor ever call. Now on no cry no call, no being so abako. No being so abako. And if you know that power is a trust arrangement, we a trustee of power, I say udi ehumo boni ehu ene osuro ena obeka say other regarded enante and yes I could flip and it will be you obia all ma Ghana ni bre in the name of power ene deno me catch also numu nyansa na mamu kron ti ase obia ene de so all man nyonku Ghana ni ebre in the name of power no ka so no nyansa na mamu no a friend democracy no wonte ni ABC din pase e di tumi mawa ya di emra eni osuro eni ya de som enti se emra ni mu a na obi kan ma obi dan me fele se akwa we me be kire no de be kire akosi san.
But as the ordinary Ghanaian and lay person on the street, will be a one law, be Fachame, man, not the Sumina, so me pacho, will be a no suya and quanimu to say the media and quanimu. Because na and this ya buying bar, Mbrano is a son, MPP buying bar, Mbrano is a son.
Now, say near Nana Kufuor, ye be now we. Or obi start here, or see a free be loot. I've had the investigating body no. A fenya juma a vigilante group nam for property ni ma brekete obiti wo toa akowura finance minister fie onkura police warrant na onkura bibi akowura ni fie ni atuturasem why atuturasem entina President Rollins ka say or the military atade na tonchen no aba be fa constitution di ebu. You know, and they say revolution are common now. Never run this time. No, so we be repeat it hard. Say ya, na musu ya we. I very very important. Say about this as say. Say ya mera kwan. Open your tea nyina emra o. Ene ma ya sumdwi. Emra kwan so. See ya jimra tumwa. Bo say o ma no fa hudie na pie na nkofo betra Ghana. Ehu ne obi kan tutura semene. My will be down. I will show you where power lies in Abeba. And then they been the Kusie. Attorney General to me can so near Lutu for ye and be no and nay ras matas ni yanka say ma enyi he say we ninano or say ninano ayi to me DH there the kasa court no onkura. Tina say say mo ebua propaganda. Amamu onye propaganda o. Adwi emu pi. Daddy adwuma ti lutu no kosi sen afa ni am hu ba akonso anamis mani nyon se ene sase bi ba na yesi obi anya problema oti ase ni akudi asem no press o hu wodi ye hye onipa no court we ase chesen o pronounce pa onipa no guilty we are ewo the court of public opinion afa na also all ban wa ba be arraign before a court of law.
What for you?
What for we? A good name must hear you.
We hear judge cross over
Sanity. Now we are judge and card in the court. And he said, excuse me to say, the reset of the rule of law. No, maybe I say,
rule of law is more reset.
Of course, now we never na make catch away. Every man is presumed innocent until proven guilty. So I say we say nyame na me chiro constitution.
Is that why omode new chief justice aba?
Well, Minister Chief Justice ebehwe mra no wayo.
107.3
Chief Justice bia ni tumi no. Obehwe mra no wayo. On believe say ebia obenya Chief Justice wa appoint no. Na wabeboa say mumuyo ni ade tantan no a. Obi on person be say Chief Justice carry. But Minister Chief Justice na ni atese won. Na on fo mumuyo de so. Although on our point and then just say adefu bia oni akiri. Because he has a career to protect. The Chief Justice is not so a vigilante there. I said, "Na man, as in Tirase, and you if you want to have your own rule of law, the idea as you don't get the uncle say Chief Justice. So I know why your party are paid the amount. So rule of law, non just say or party are paid any amount. And cockerel, Emra different from or party feelings." It will believe it's okay, and that means many are judges. What? You want to corrupt the judiciary? So your judges will do what for you? Your judges will imprison the innocent. Can that be a reset of the rule of law? We have passed kangaroo also. And friends, vigilantism and any jehoni are they opening?
But for now, lawyer for a judge for Timing Campo, say ya near Bequa, copy say, a bind best summer rule of law to my age.
May catch your plane say individual lawyers na ye see on clients no on my home you will see changes. If you say would make us an idea your club will be a kind of one you call with group action. I want now to also a lawyer, what practicing law maybe 10 years. Na yede assemblies ni trust no akwa anu to me. I see what you're saying. At the end, I see a practicing law. We should uphold the law. We shouldn't have party affiliations. Na eno nebema omana kwenim. Every nation develop will be the environment is called rule of law. Emrane ahoden enya akika. Enye loot. Ene vigilantism. And I may appoint a new power hanko Supreme Court near where the amount. Oh, wanted the Supreme Court, you know. So a judge is for 1 year few.
Yeah.
And to court now, the no actual call natural. Walk or ought to be and castle over Sankura because a pecuniary massy is a history making forum, the Supreme Court. I dare be a Bechubiano, well, Coca. Even law school now debate and then my seven I could tan I don't know one more petition. This is not there. Who did you agree? You tinker with the rule of law, you lower the standard of governance.
Council, I then about my Attorney General Trokata Koma Yoko say you investigate you be a Yoko as to say on my investigating the panel or Munya Yeminim. But as na be silent, Kroma. Because you Kroma na Attorney General Trokata Koma Yoko say Joseph Yamin, National Organizer for the NDC. He investigating about illegal mining, Galam say. One Abanga, third vice chair, ma NDC. But as now will be a nimba be a kosi, see investigate your more, then beba.
Well, I na ras matas no ana media frenzy. And that the fail and yet MPP for one year. The NDC ni say the program say you better use near my final. No, so be high they are on to be investigating. And to feed the frenzy of the press and to make some people happy as if they are interested in dealing with people in all fairness, Ghana and EBI Ghana and yet MPP for one kind of money. So they'll come out with these things. I wonder whether Yoko has a remit to investigate people who are doing what I'm saying. I wonder.
Because and your money is jurisdiction.
Oh, the remit no cry. Or remit no cry. And the trouble I know, yes, any man I know bisa. And why you know who will be forced will be do be count and Yoko.
But the Attorney General is a learned lawyer, and then a learned lawyer. Betrokrata ama Yoko so investigate you be about illegal mining, knowing very well say the Yoko any such jurisdiction.
You see, over Constitution Article 88 and I can say the Attorney General is the principal legal advisor of the government. Okay, fine. So no cross pass or my legal advice here. But if you are writing your political theories. What the beko? And ebu anyamara. Ebu as adena wo trust a lawyer. No nyamara na udi actually. Name you want to satisfy some political constituency be. Enti na ebi a wo de adenako. And na udi attorney general anti etumi ma nyama ni bi epeja. So na the attorney general actual letter pa. But the content of the letter no. Obi kan na ebi kwan fata attorney general so be trust a letter no. And that's what it is. If we are not careful, the Attorney General will be a very, 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 very cornered politician. And I'll tell you the difference between politics and law. You see, you can be political,
7.3,
but not legal.
No.
Very, very interesting. I feel now when you're making arbitrariness, emotions, my will be done. I will show you where power lies, authoritarianism, and the rest of it. The Attorney General office in the me every crowd. Why you know why? No about the conveyor belt of the political system. Nani on pen on catch law. Into one casano on your law abiding.
7.3.
Because we want to satisfy a political constituency. I don't believe that is the work of an Attorney General.
Wow. That means Sir Joseph Yamin Diane Abanga dia third vice Attorney General and the Koma Yokono. Attorney General, said Dominica Yene, who better say, and Yoko jurisdiction.
Say, say Yoko jurisdiction, they say, and Crawford Galamsi on investigate.
Did then a baby Attorney General, Leonard lawyer, be to Sana Mono, a bind lawyer penny. May I be no 2 foot dragon when is where meaning say, and then the also the entities for call. So people will see, say, or a balanced and is not going after people in political vendetta. That could be a whole, if you like, propaganda. But I don't see how you should waste your time with such matters. Yeah. Quickly, me I'm here to for that. You know, the issue started boy. You heard the push off the Attorney General, the push off the OSP as a council. At all, say.
Well, me niena me kanda me koswaka. If you say. Onyankopon boa na ase ani ye be su hin ana usaya afra na ukura no uka ne obeka nyina ne me nanan ye na metoa so ani ade me de no kura be mamo me tietia mo fa hudie so me mfo bi yire obeka se ne manyina uya no qualify me so am yare eti me view ni say na kenoforata kwabrochire say yare a eye edi nya na okosa ne ho yare a and never be a tackle no na for say necessary because na me feel so be ntiapa no san ho yare a ese mujano na ohwesa no ma na metiti ni sa fe de atra ho ta fe kwa de ni be otene kwa wa cd emra me hu say o shata de afufuro bi na ye de handcuff agu ni san me se fem kakra so we de na ekoso ba ohene two views number view back when say you can try kind of oriata in abstention it's permitted
now try see ye pa
me person me chance here say na for oriata ni ha but why ya way say there are criminal proceedings for Ghana no so ma the judge can proceed with the case and when the evidence now they are to from the say or guilty with me I know because on person be for trial. Another view is na can offer that sober. No be face you on. Na owan fa the case be am good animal say and ne ono na wa cause financial loss the state ni ade. But hene yeti he enye can offer yata. And yenye the lawyers so. So it is kind of writer's election whether to stay outside or to come. Ibn Mukaze, his absence is embarrassing to him. It is his election. Ibn Mufu believe say, oh, be official or bar, only Jojo no. They say, well, lawyer for her. Never could be a co Jojo, I could see saying. Me who be a Becca ne or innocent or Shishawa 1 month, a Hannah drink. Until we believe say, back and over at us, no, they are also to me so on between number. Fine. Ombe used to be on family council. Now the Kodia can offer and on between the nephew about fine. And Mrakwanso between extradite will be about Judicial. Another matter, I asked him Kakran say, obi can na can red alert near day and those things as you say is a common criminal and say
never quite fan of force
yeah and never said the man you know me say is the right thing to do but ni na no nyame ni penim can over to nyakola o and a service penny food in a cheaper and they should take a decision ebeboa no especially any din send
a din there so much say na we
oh any more ya ha and to no be to me act take decisions be no be redeem ni din a ebeboa no because any man say na corner kofo bebere di hu abobo
so we are a lawyer advice when and card be man what will be your position
oh me and the lawyer dia na so enye yare na ha no a meka so omra Ghana meka sa every say o hene dey na besi yeah so poni to meet na we ase a na asem no nkwa emra kwan so a ubetumi agina America so we die ye move for it's possible me practice criminal law me go to practice pa
nti so o your client and ka bad advice ne say nya yade no yade ya ka bad advice ne say wo mrafi
say ne be ya on news no absence ngu nanim ase me view no because absence no when it to say there's always the court of public opinion so
obia ka say na dey
down my o krojen the out abroche e den o dey say na me face won interpretation na ya me ya all the interpretation be to so na ya troka as you say e bia udwane bibi so e bia nantesa nti me so ne America no akusi no because ene me bo ho a o hene e dey no bi beye ye nyina Ghana fo the court no ene ma kra court no ye ne kra no service mo journalist wo to me pick up na go fo hu say ne court no ye open enye kangaroo court nti ukofa o prosecution witness be do no hene asem o kan e troka they say o lawyer and examine no now lawyer ne titi asem no ye poto a was a press report ne go fo hu say oh we na eko nti ma asefem kakra ba sa na ye hu no
ye judicial system and legal system under John Dramani Mahama and NDC eto say as obi a unimu mra na wa ye adwuma na che
well minimum say judiciary no an arm of government is not an extension of Jubilee House, the executive. Yes.
Council.
Yes.
Review mama, what's it saying?
This is a judiciary no. It's an arm of government. It's not an extension of the executive or Jubilee House. And the first people are as the woman who din judiciary themselves. As if say, oh, okay, we believe so okay, we can use the judiciary. Oh, sadly, if that perception should ever hold sway, that means the whole constitutional democracy, no, I mean, has been torn into pieces. And Tibijedi said, some appointments have come. As you see, America say, we need to Chief Justice, no, and who some, and a new Chief Justice Abba. You appoint to Supreme Court judges, but I can tell you, say, the judgment on the judiciary will come later in time as to whether they are, if you like, extension of the executive, and I say, also say they are part of the arm of government and they will uphold the rule of law. And it means who, and there may be a politicized judiciary. I mean, say, oh, I feel the judiciary is very politicized. They are doing the bidding of the executive. So far, with my interaction and what I'm seeing in the court, I'm not seeing that at all. But what is very, very important is say, whatever perceptions are, the judiciary themselves should not fulfill it. Now, on set to own independence. And then that is how the rule of law will become meaningful. I feel that separation of powers also will be consolidated.
But from where you sit and where you are coming from, only say a year extension of Jubilee House.
There be me who say a year extension of Jubilee House, but the perception is okay, and then the judges yaba. Because you can see mass appointment of judges under a friend saying opening mahama, and then people might interpret it to mean so now we have our own to come and do what? to come
do our bit.
To come and do our bidding and fulfill our political wishes. But that is not the work of the judiciary. The judiciary is not in existence to fulfill the political wishes of the executive. They are supposed to uphold the constitution and the rule of law. Asa, onwo dwuma no. Enti eno na me de me say obi kan say yaja was ma odin honte. To one no mo odin honte. Whether it's a perception or otherwise, no, or any owners who want set on independence and the authority. Some people might want to have wishes.
But one legal eye, no who say a perception.
Oh, it's a perception, yes. Oh yeah, people believe say, oh, this is something that ye Chief Justice here pay. Ye we ni amfa we mra. It's a perception. And in my if money adding in any appointments, but I'm telling you, say, when you have appointed a man, you might not control his brain. If you say, as I'm going to do a court, them a troka or trauma couldn't ye. And Ebiana Obia and say, okay, when we appoint judges, we will have some decisions in our favor. It could be chacha no watu. What's happening at that? A ben waka say, judge, you know, trauma, if it's all now appointed. But I could always tell you, say, the judges themselves, they have the inherent power. I mean, to uphold the rule of law. No be never amount.
Right, maybe chopping one back here. You know, honorable Samuel Atta Esquire and 18 common name, former MP for Buakwa South, former Minister for West and Housing. Shannon's Wami say, oh, Chimoda in the Eastern Regional Community 103.3 so T&K, strong 101.5 for Chimda, Afima Radio 103.3 Wokofodia, Mining City Radio 89.5, Ewo Takwa, Assassin 98.5, Ewo Kumasi, Mami Fasira Kasiema. Tontina 74 T74 Nax Solar Natural Clinic Commander Roma and the dear to Panjuma de Summon and remedy the Bruni Bafua. Ya ba Sabe ye Miranumu Kakra. Quickly, my young corner, young head ye see ye, I will Burkina Faso, and I reho Yenuya Mai Fatumatus, every Burkina Faso. Yantiasem de Nipan son ye tis on Mefrimu, but the nay Sini Pabacoso, Asan Efrimu, Abe Nipa, and watching. And a man for raising concern say, a dentin a yen to minya bambo, and family ready for a coffin no Mefri Miami, be knowing very well, say, Miamiana, Yenuya Manomo air cordon, Sebi, a danger zone. And come on, horse, Minister Bineko, Chief Executive Officer Bineko visit to Burkina. And or say on for flight, or befa for moi, Kibejan Quentin fee, Amanaku na honorable. My name is Watia, what here to saying, going forward as a country, Bibi wise is here.
Nedi kind, Obia, Nedeshi Atono. I was say, Adia Akyea, me maniaco. That's also me, no. I was here for say a cassie nim security issues, sir. A war Burkina Faso. Even kura ka se jihadist ni ade ekura wo hwa onya ekura obetu abaga na ha be mumu de a ohene ni ade sunsumu. These are not matters which are new. Enti me de meka se ye be boy adwadifo ho ban ni ya show on danger zones where they shouldn't go and where they should go ni there. It's a question of national security. If it's opening ye TRCC ayeka say oh ya den ya no bi di beto aduane adidie untumi mloko no so onye o
we do be wi an ho akọ
obekọ ene kwa ka se ka kokos small green crack ofo bi so onya ye be 5 because we pese ye didi bread and butter isusun de ye ho obosom a 777 obi kan na kom chewa edin enti kofo so on be pe ni on be di a na on be ko danger zone. Say, as a bambo by. First of all, there should be a clear understanding. Say, he and the Burkina Faso, why we are far back to danger.
I say to me, identify some.
Oh, yes. But be out with had the horse. What buying crown or 77 between me no. On person on build that one.
And you want your Juma, oh, my moon.
Yeah, because you're Juma.
Defense Ministry and as Interior Ministry.
Yeah, combination of defense and then interior, and what is even critical, national security. If you say, oh, top underground information, national security. Only human power, only your boundaries, no, only where it is dangerous. No one feed the other law enforcement agencies no na what to me a demarcate am obi ase and the Ghana for mo sikitikiri say mo ko pe bi adi mo be ko Burkina Faso ehu na mom opese o ye na ho ye korogin ase me ma ho a eya am kofa. I believe say see a mass lease ya say mumuyo di emma na ne obi kan say eye den nkofo say ye de be ko Burkina Faso ni akwa akopɛ tomatoes ni abeton
Ghana. I want to come here because Buakwa South there, and you say farmers be brave. Ghana, your fertile lands were ho asasia. Asase bidia say sebi lorry kwan so krano. What your bro eto na asphalt na tutu kakravia e betimi afefe. Why Burkina Faso desert so?
Well, and I can say yenhwe agriculture ni yi kakra. Na so nyame chow ade kese je say asase tra 7 year old kind say even kwa asphalt na say buru bi kwan bi ni a wabasi be fifia. Then try and use your resources very well. Because say I guess ebe say a tropical country but ebe net importer of food tomatoes. I didn't need to be yes and ye can't go for a irrigation system. And send your money should be a national undertaking. Bambia fa enshemukena. A DB between a Ghana be and say importer. And a fake crown on the Akofa ban say, yen value addition no and count. Say, Okasa Nedia tomatoes now the other export because my irrigation of Ghana. And then also own can tomatoes na ubika and go so import na wow foreign exchange. Until sending money national assembly and say, ye war lands or very good tropical land. You bet me a duane baby until we shouldn't import anything. But if we can put together a system beer, a production costs there, then we should do the value addition and convert our raw products produce to some other forms of it's a can use a bend. So we have value addition, the boy foreign exchange regime no.
Right, and then it's about a year because when we some for raise concern, say as now, okay, say your defense minister and the defense minister na timi yakọ Burkina Faso. As now, maintain say acting defense minister, finance minister, on our two force and wako Burkina Faso, maintain say interior minister call, foreign affairs minister and call, and I'm on 2 years and combine to us now won't even 2 years.
Wow, because I have very, very serious matter and emergency. Say, me get this on one matter. Send you okay. You see, you need defense minister. Only at two forcing. Face
on
the cuckoo butter carry action. And the why busy. And ya dear, obey me as we ja dear koye and ye mercy no. And it's about time, papa mahama. We abe mudi enye kuna like I say. And ye sebi ayi kofo no we no. Afima anti kuna ni ye. Enti Ukrafo no fantman and to what would be near no shadem. A man will do since I can't see a nation in which the finance minister is combining his work with the friends saying defense. And near me, he has a sort of tough no. On ye, say, and this is when you're a fool baby, or a point to be now 777 and maybe one. They could send a delegation for I hear and say, and Kitahubi di a coso. But it's physical presence there. You might be right. Yenya high power delegation be a 7777 only waku share or counterpasser. On bubu home, no actually may be near first hand information near to me and how it be treat to your bonnie at Tisano. Until I know they are working on some things, but I don't believe they've done any physical visits.
Papa, the ordinary Ghanaian, I will speak to the ordinary Ghanaian on the street. Ghana for Wufi, Sabium Kwahona Mudin Komo. Defense ministry, no, a crucial ministry, important ministry, as at now, about 8 months, 7 months, Yentiminya will be a chinchina in a replacement.
It's so important, say, Anka and Sessa Chakra, or substantive minister. Na minua no film no adwuma no toaso. I don't know why obi kan asade ache. I can't explain. If you say Obambo to me back here, sa ministry no. Now, if you have a header, to me hold no strongly responsible. But where somebody is dabbling as because anyana juma fi kwa no, sebe kwa no, owie kokoi akuntabu na wakwa akohwe na emesi Burkina Faso. You see, no matter if you like, no matter how powerful a man is in terms of even capacity, and this one you know way every bit me a book home until watch it. If you ask me, I say so banana the MC we be wake up calls papa. I'm say baba mu dia yenye kuna yenye na fa obi kwasho ho na omeboy nti eso hwe sad no
tragedy see wo Burkina Faso no ohun say as man as NDC aban as a man pani John Dramani Mahama omo feli Ghana for omo feli traders no.
Well, I wouldn't say that. I would say sebi enema bi wo ho a present and real on ya when so say yenkofo no koho ekudidwa. Enti me view ni say maybe there is a security lapse and they say to me anka say a high no go area the amon koho. That's my view. So there could be a security lab. No matter how you see it, no security labs here, it could be say anything. But I'm of the view say ometumi asiano kwan. Sadie ye nipa wotwe atoi NCBM. Mu amudi dwa nyina no ba na no ese wo hu ba bi wo mfi. A won koho. Any rules are on fa. Because adwadifo no rules no say wonimu a. How would you know Senkofo will be invade Ghana? How would you know? So these are, if you like, friends, national security issues are. But now, the danger zones, war. They are warning for say don't go into a danger zone. Now, and a bit me about. And to me, first on security arrangements. No, but where there is a security failure, I wouldn't say that is a failure of the government totally.
Right. Quickly, I'm here cocoa farmers. I mean, I want to out tomato cocoa kakra.
Hey, Papa, that is okay.
I got chat to mommy. Oh, why is Anna me boo? I say Papa, then okay. Right. I'm wish you buy say a bino a cut and I drop it producer price to 2,562. No, Ete will say as former MP for Buakwasa.
And then I make us say, Abiana, when it galamse humpa, and to cuckoo say alpe. Then, so if you want the economy to be strong, then you have several revenue streams at Bois or Mano. Aha. Eti, you say, no, me say, or when near Bagalamse, no, a Bois, friends, go board, no, or near Jehumpa. It's all one and quickly, papa. Efa the real consequences say obete kuku no boso. Then you say then there's no incentives to cross say me kwa me kuku biem. Obi kwa te ane baja de da. Did that.
As from me hata kuku no
sanete when we say me hoodin we say me konya bags to do say ya. And sika we ne bebre me. Na ma start here you know. It is a whole disequilibrium onuya say kuku ya watisui edi aba na me the argument I made tie me say ene man bo kwa na nakufu adu face sa
argument be na tie
mati argument be so no be can say no friends well price of kuku no na
yes ya drop ya ba
aha ene ho se bebre na eka kukura ntumi bi da ho that's na nakufu adu time no kwa say na obetoka eho eyi kukuka wa ka say eka ninti eye ne ebeboa ma akuafo ani agye se adwuma ho na yenso the whole industry no o kabo mu a the other industries no ahoden so apagya no yebeto atofam enti a big blow to a major Asian industry na me feel say on pe nyasa kwan bi so na on remedy so on remedy a implications enye enne kom no But oh man for ahoden say cocoa no kura ya ade bi ase de resources wura ho na yemie ni ye adwuma. Na matekwa say edomo a won cocoa no industry no anya ketwa. Edomo ho pa nkofo use di bi ahwe o Mako University ebi no de asisi adan ane ade. Nti ade e be hire dom de o don sakoka na o de na ohu kakra.
But honorable say aban ni capacity ne say obetimi atwia say sika no producer price no a obebisa say den na aban nye we international enye local say ye omamu na aban say ebia omamu na ABCD SC ewiase edwaso na koko bo abafom den na aban no betimi aye
na America say ewiase ni dwaso ni nti so when to me balance ni ye na bia wamfa the requisite subsidies amemua ebema nkofo kura se woni afri koko so enti se koko industry no ahoɔden ni ewiase dwaso na world market price in there oni wato ho agu and then obi ka se on the wa ben say a friend saying free senior high school. So there are certain areas in the economy that should have automatic subsidies. If not, you collapse the industry. Aha. E dey be nyansa na Kufuor nya ya 8 years one to cocoa, so now the oba dance urafi. Kufuor ne created the world
market price.
Market price and you know it was there. Kufuor no time in a run some time in I know. Enti emi say ebia na garam say no and the ma on die ya onyane.
How?
Because say near kofa ba say on born ho sabran say if you say the gold no ya tumi atom bi pa. But on refi say gold no nko a enye tumi e betumi abo economy no koko ka ho bi. They didn't plan ahead of time say ye behwe na the critical thing about my cocoa no industry na koso a price ye be fa ho sikanya answer in advance. Now whether say price drop say na baby ano ye ma ye akuafo no emu abam ye be ma won say subsidy no watumi ade won ato aso.
Now Krata Cocoa Board Edia Babontin and it's senior staff for ye kate omakatria by 20%, junior staff by 10%. Obeka say enye good step Cocoa Board ateki after so ma slash equia for producer price.
Obroni friend cosmetic. It is kofoka oson aboba dumie ne kuno na afa ebo atobo na taso ana onya hwe. How much of that and ebebo edomo asese ya to ahode so. Anti ohene ya onya say propaganda and entertainment no tackle situation head on. Yes sir. Na asi so osere. Yes.
Omakatria no mo sere kuafo no.
Na so on say akatua na won ateso no. Ye mfa sika ne mra kuafo no a yatete won wa yin so. What is the point? And we the
omudi omo ho afekeke.
A friend window dressing. Come to me akonya say ne nyina because on wa prekuafo no. Minim say ade be senki e koye no be say ye ko ayi election year 28 and kai we the asase enwonwam. Because unya ekofo industry no ye 1 million da say na ya pon
1 million
ya pon
na more dependence so ho
ya pon no enti obia say no tufo kan ekofo no de okom na ehufuro e de to aba no say na ya nesi they owe it to themselves to remedy the situation. Yes, ahotoma.
Right, your economy now you need MPP come more quickly. Obeka some micro indicators in nyina show green. Bit inflation a drop it to 3.8%. At the pump station, the friend of filling station, no petrol bore abafom dollar to see the exchange rate VBI kama. But when a section of Ghanaians didn't come say so na hit ukrum ahokyere ukrum and then beba ma microeconomic indicators no show green na ahokyere beba ma mfo so
say economy no artificial one you know one tia so for say ade bia esi go pagya a friend saying gold need to me not show up the currency. And only idea on me when ye pa say your reserves no it to me dibwa currency no. Okay. Now idea me when say obia or say oh isika nipa na nisika or ni wiase or the bank he's interested in his credit. And oh yeah not the credit bank account no now they chire. Hey the credit no we chire. But I know the debit nesi. And then me who are buying a coming and all in terms of even paying contractors more than buying away.
Ah,
oh yes,
a coming and this year buying.
Papa. I make us say though there is a whole freeze in paying contractors. I know that as a fact. And contractors be brave or why in 2 hours. So if you've not settled your indebtedness, don't brag about your credit. It would say, who's a sikansu your man? Who just can man? Because every contractor is a mini economy. Contractor yi eji sika fi aban ho a okutua bibi kakra ma banko. Afei enkofo on hwan ase oye adwuma ma on. Okutua cement fo beje one there, we be there. So they turn the micro economy around. But when money is withdrawn from contractors, now a stagnant economy, no. Until MSO on Parliament, no, Emma Finance Minister Emra now me explaining a friend saying contractors are in Trianka and what is the quantum of money which they have to pay contractors. It will explain to people as to how a hyper economy, no, you have for good and show up currency. Fine, it is easy to do, but if economy no is not taken, if they say in contractors can or many more, I believe it's economy artificial.
Sikane ni mtia ukasana.
Sikane ni no pese books no ye fe. But the reality of the economy no enkoyi ma ahunhia e wo ho man kofo.
So then e beba papa be decide say me pese me yekuntan wa bonten say me wuska. Na come de me ma wo fie e then e beba.
Propaganda no propaganda say bi no mo no amammo no sunsum ye propaganda. Nti yen project bibi na yen tu futuro nkofo ani so ya boy ho modern pa. Obi ka say single digit inflation
3.8.
Yes. Na say yen to be to agenda 111 so I. What are you trying to prove? There are several projects and nakufo ado ye. I believe say ba no kra no. It's answer the constitution ikano. Omia when no the incomplete I am starting yama fufro. And now one will say free senior high school no here until ye pesika near the room. Send ye be ya a be bo man. Until ade be a be bo man, that's all show interest or kasia pa. But I'm of the view say one of the things are yen pa and say what is the extent of the domestic indebtedness, especially to contractors. As a contractors no on there, I can't see how you say you have a vibrant economy. It will make the economy fake. Books no chira say be all yard. Send them actual no good reserves no deep wow. But in terms of the real economy no, the cash economy no, a deep productivity ban no, result.
Right, maybe